Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I feel like it's been forever since I've done a video, and I actually wanted to sit in front of the camera to do this one today, but I didn't feel like getting all dressed up to be on camera today. So I figured, well, it's good to sit behind the camera sometimes, and then I can actually focus the camera a little bit better when I'm sitting behind rather than sitting in front of it. So I will just stand and film from behind today. So I've got a Well.Ca unboxing, as you can see, and then the white package on the bottom is from Amazon. And the Amazon order, I had more than one item in there, but they kind of split it up. So I think because they were coming from a different seller, that is why it split up like that. But there is something in the Well.Ca box that goes with the item that's in here. So that is why I figured I would do both unboxing today as such, to show you guys what I'm talking about. So I will get right into this video. So I will start with the Well.Ca opening first, because it's more items in there. It's a small box, but it feels pretty heavy. That's because there's quite a few things in there. So I love how they package their stuff. And the first thing I'm seeing is the Ordinary, and I would have done another video with the Ordinary stuff, and I don't know if I think I might have uploaded that video already. So the Ordinary is a very affordable brand for skincare, and when I was shopping around on Well.Ca, I noticed that they had some primers as well, and I said, well, I don't own a primer. Usually I just moisturize my face with moisturizer and then add my makeup on top of that. So I said, well, it's affordable, maybe I will give it a try, because it's not expensive like, the Sephora brands that everybody is buying these days. So I thought I would give it a try, and I actually got two of them, two different types. So this one is the high spreadability fluid primer, and it's in 30 mils. So I don't know if I've ever explained, Well.Ca is a Canadian company, and it's like a pharmacy online, but they sell a lot of other things. Like you can get treats for your pets, you can get some makeup, like the drugstore brand makeup. You get L'Oreal, you've got Revlon, you've got CoverGirl, you get your sunscreen there. So they sell a lot of different things, and I think I get free shipping when I spend $35 or something like that. So I always compare prices with them on Amazon, because I get free shipping with Amazon as well if I spend $35. So I check to see who has things cheaper. So this is what it comes in, like a little glass. I think this is a glass bottle sort of, and I don't know how I'm gonna use this. This looks really liquidy, but we'll see. So that is the first one, and then this is the other one. This one is a high adherence silicone primer. I've heard stuff about silicone primers before being pretty good, and this one is also in 30 mils, and this one comes in a tube which you squeeze. So not a lot of product, but for primers you probably don't need a lot of it for it to work. And the Ordinary has a lot of good reviews, so that is why I decided to give it a go and see if I like it. So that was the Ordinary primers, and then they put everything else in a baggie, which is nice. So in the bag there's this one that's wrapped. I got a lot. This is a bug spray, And as you guys know, I live on a lake, so we're surrounded by trees, and we get a lot of bugs out here in the summertime, which makes me not appreciate summer too much. But I mean, if you can always use the bug repellents, and it should be fine. I mean, we do have some at home, but I figured I might just buy another one because I don't want to run out of it. So this is by I guess it's called Off, and I wonder, is it good? It's good for mosquitoes, which is what I have a big problem with, because once I get bitten by mosquitoes, it swells up really big and it itches really bad. So I figured I would pick this one up, and it's a good size. So that's the one I got. And then this here is another insect repellent in lotion form, and it's good for a lot of different insects. So that's pretty good because we have a beach out here and we have a lot of deer and wildlife out here. So it's good for like black flies and ticks and deer flies and mosquitoes and everything else. And this is 80 mils in here, and just a little one that I can probably bring with me in my bag if I'm going for a walk, or you know, just going on the boat or something. So that was that. And then I got a small mouthwash which I can use when we're traveling, like when we go for overnight in, let's say, Edmonton or Grand Prairie. We bring a little travel bag with our toiletries. I can put this in there because it's a nice small one. I also was reading that you can make your own bug repellent using this. So that was another reason why I decided to pick this up, because I wanted to try it out. So I'll probably do that, and we'll still be able to use it to go on our trips with. And then I got this one, which is the Solarcaine cooling gel. It's like for after you've been in the sun a long time. It helps to cool the skin down, and I think it heals it as well, like if you've got sunburn and stuff like that. I've been watching this for a long time, and I finally decided to get it because my fiance, when he's home, if it's nice and sunny out, he likes to be outdoors all day, and he puts sunscreen on but he still burns. So I figured this would be good for that. It's a soothing gel with pure aloe, so it should be pretty good. There's other brands that make this one as well, but this one was actually affordable, and it's 110 ml, so that's why I bought this. I can also put this in my bag and bring it too. So really nice. And then the last thing in this bag here is this I don't know, you say apricot oil, and it's a moisturizing oil, and it's 118 mLs. So the reason I bought this is because I've heard that it's really good for skin, and especially if you have dry skin. So when I open the Amazon package, I will explain it further for you guys because it goes with what I've bought. So this is what this looks like, and I just want to see how it smells. Oh, it's actually sealed, so I won't bother opening it now because it's got the little thing on the top, which is nice, then it doesn't leak. I've never had a problem with Well.Ca stuff coming, anything broken or open, leaking or anything like that. So I really like the way they package their stuff, and also their shipping is pretty good. You get your things probably within 5 days or so, so that's pretty good. Man, do I ever have the sniffles today. Holy, my nose is just bothering me, like my allergies are acting up too. So this is the Amazon package, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open that off camera just so I'm not making a lot of noise. Guys, so this item I've been really excited about, and I've been wanting to get this for a long time, and it's True Glow, and it's like a massager for your hands, but you can also put that oil that I showed you on there and put it into these heated mitts, and it moisturizes your hands. It's also good for like if you've got arthritis in the hands. Sometimes I wake up and my fingers are really stiff, and it's actually good for that as well. So as you can see, they're showing you, you put the cream on there and you get the gloves and you put your hands in there and it warms it up, and it should leave your hands really nice and soft, which is nice for like after winter if you want to like a nice exfoliating feel on your hands. It's pretty good for that. I wish they sold one for the feet. I think I was looking for something and I came across this. Now, not a lot of people are selling this on Amazon, and I actually got it from a seller that's in Canada. So I was really excited about that, and I only hope that it works good because I've had this package a while and I didn't get to try it out or anything, and I've heard it gets really hot, so you have to be careful with it. I like the fact that it's Conair because Conair is a good brand. I got other things that were made by Conair, so I know about the brand. So yeah, that is why I got this. But you can also use like a lotion like they're using there, or even the oil. So it doesn't matter, you can put your favorite lotion on your hands and just let it do its thing, and you will have nice soft hands. And I really love these kind of gadgets that can work for your skin, because I love skincare too as well. I'm always looking for skincare. I think I like it more than makeup because I have a lot of makeup and I very rarely use it. I like the skincare because, you know, take care of your skin and it will be good for you. So yes guys, that was my video, my Well.Ca unboxing and my Amazon unboxing. Not too many things, but I mean, that's just to show you guys some of the things that you can get online. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you can leave some comments down below if you've liked anything you've seen in the video. Maybe you've used some of it before. You can let me know how it works for you. And I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you're having a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye guys.